Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Bushra ki recipes and remedies. Today I will share this homemade green tea. Actually this is weight loss tea which has antioxidants properties, helps to clear skin. This will melt your body fat very fast. This will improve your skin texture. I personally use this for me. This works wonders. Made of natural ingredients which has amazing results. Let's start making. You need 1 slice of lemon, 2 small pieces of fresh ginger and 3 fresh leaves of mint and 1 small piece of cinnamon stick. It's almost around 1 inch you can say, and half teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 green cardamom. These ingredients for one time use only. And here I take that black cardamom seeds, around 6 to 7. You can open the black cardamom easily and you can take the black cardamom seeds easily. Here I take 1 cup of water. These measurements are for 1 cup water for one time use only. Take a saucepan and add 1 cup of water and little bit more, and on the flame should be medium low. Now I will add 2 pieces of fresh ginger. For more effectiveness, you have to make it fresh every time. Add fresh mint leaves. Add cinnamon stick and green cardamom, and after that add the black cardamom seeds to it. Put fennel seeds. This one is very effective remedy. Like this, and bring it to boil for 5 minutes until the color changes into light green. After 2 to 3 minutes it will start boiling and it's changing the color also. Boil this for at least 5 minutes so the color will change into green, light green. This is very effective green tea, must try it. After 5 minutes I off the flame and I will add the fresh lemon slice to it. It's up to you. If you want to add before you can add, but I personally add in the last because it has sour taste. Now there are 2 methods. If you want to strain it, you can strain it like this, like I am showing you. You can strain it and have it like this. You have to drink this warm. If you want to add honey in this, you can add honey. Add 1 teaspoon of honey for the taste, but I personally use it like this. I want with ingredients because I feel that with all ingredients it's more effective with ingredients, so I always used to drink like this. And if you want to add honey at this stage you can add. It's up to you. You can add honey, but I don't like to add honey also. I used to drink it like this. Now there are winters coming, so you can have it twice a day. After meal, if you feel heavy, you can have it, and before sleeping you can have it. It's very effective. Personally, for me this is best. I always used to drink this one for my body fat, for weight loss. This is one of the best green tea I have ever tried. I hope you will like this weight loss drink. If you like, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.